Welcome to the channel, everybody. Today we are in Trophy Spring, Texas, and we are here with Velocity Restorations, who brought down a few of their vehicles for some test driving today. We are with Dan from Velocity, and Dan, say hello and take us through your F250.
Excellent. Thank you, John. I really appreciate you coming out and visiting with us. Today we have a special truck for Velocity. This actual truck is a Founders truck. It's our Heritage Series truck, but this particular one belongs to our founder, Stuart Wilson. This truck is special. It actually has a Godzilla motor in it, backed by a 10-speed transmission. It's sitting on a Velocity restoration chassis that has been spec'd out and built for us by the Roadster Shop. We have the Dana axles in it. We have four-wheel coilovers sitting on 6-piston wheel with brakes.
So you have a Dana 44 in the front and a 9-inch in the rear, is that correct?
Dana 60 in the rear.
Dana 60 in the rear, okay.
We have, this particular one has Hydro Boost with the Wheelwood braking system.
Very nice.
Sitting on 17s with the 33. You'll see the two-tone paint. Our two-tone paint comes in our Heritage Series. We do the dark on top with the light on the bottom, matching bumpers, matching wheels.
Well, let's go through it and you can show us everything.
So you'll notice that a couple key special parts here is our billet is machined in-house with our chrome trim line. You'll also catch the billet up top with these beautiful lights running on top of the truck. We have the California style side mirrors. Again, we continue with the billet, all machined in-house under one roof in our facility in Pensacola.
Beautiful.
140,000 square foot facility under roof. Everything that we do is done all in-house by 140 craftsmen.
Wow.
Yeah,
and it shows.
Yeah, if you catch this detail right here, this is our spinny back material. It's a woven leather insert. This is the top of the line interior package you could get. Machine billet with the inset lights. We have the Vocal speakers, bespoke seat, custom billet, leather wrapped steering wheel with sitting on an idyllic column, adjustable. We also have the Dakota digital gauges, letting you know what you're up to there. We have the double din Apple CarPlay center unit there with the vintage air.
Vintage air below it.
The shift sticks there have the billet accents as well.
Yeah, and whose transfer case are you using?
We use an Atlas transfer case.
Atlas transfer case,
yes, sir.
Very nice. And your headliner is custom built.
That's right.
Very nice to fit. Visors, beautifully done. Beautiful detail. You guys, your interior department does phenomenal work. That's absolutely gorgeous.
I'll catch you on the other side while I open up the door.
Yes, sir. LED lights throughout. This one has a Class 3 hitch on the rear. Also, this is custom made by you guys right here.
Absolutely.
Too, right?
So you have the backup camera with the billet handle here.
Beautiful. All custom made by you.
Custom finished bed and interior.
Tell them what that is.
That's the gas tank with the filler neck. So we have an in-house design team that makes our exhaust system, as well as the fueling system, fuel tank. The cooling system is an in-house design and proprietary for us. And if you come around, I'll show you this massive Godzilla engine.
Oh yeah. Very nice.
Our billet carries on into the engine bay here, where you can see this immaculate finished engine bay with the custom mounted Godzilla motor.
using a hydro boost system.
Absolutely.
Yep. Very nice. Horsepower on this motor, ballpark?
So ballpark 425, but where this thing really kicks it up is the torque. Massive torque, and to get this truck out of the hole.
Yep. Yep. It is absolutely beautiful, Dan. Thank you so much for sharing
Absolutely.
this.
Thank you, John.
Let's jump in, go for a ride, and we'll give you a review when we're done. Thank you so much.
Thank you.